So yeah, guys, like I uploaded the first video, you saw what is happening. We're already on profit. Let's upload some other video again on Euro USD currency. So I'm gonna upload Euro USD. I'll try to put on gold and Gbpusd and see what is it that we actually see. So on Euro USD, guys, I'm gonna try going to the weekly time frame. I'm trying to get the whole direction of the market, you understand? So if you can check, I don't know if it's possible for us to reach at this certain place, but I don't know, guys. Ne? But it's like it's too far there. But at the end of the day, let's actually analyze based on how the strategy says, understand? Because there's like a weekly time frame. So I like taking it to the top. So this we actually call it the top bottom strategy. It's one of the perfect strategy I ever discovered, and nothing was never the same until then. So what I always do is that I like being like a swing trader. I might be a scalp trader, but one thing that I do is I target a long-term direction. You understand? So that even when I'm scalping, I become more confident. You understand? But people target short-term goals. That is why they end up blowing and whatever. So you gotta have that long-term target. And then during the road, you'll be like, I think I'm just stop here. You understand? So that's how I do it. And if you wanna judge me on how I'm doing it, it's okay. At least I'm making money, you not. Understand? The only judge that I know it's in court now. So yeah, so if you can check here, this is a zone that happened in 2020 09 March. So this is one of the biggest zone that we gotta like respect, and the other one is probably here in 2003. So the market can be something that it once happened in the past, and you gotta respect it in the future. So we come back here, we go here. Understanding the market the way I understand it, it's not like difficult. You just have to give it time. Follow what pure price action says, you'll never go wrong. So you see from this point, we understand this is our support here, and we respected it twice. Going for the third time, it will be a disrespect here. So I believe that here we're gonna be starting to see more of buying opportunities. And you can see there's a retest. Our 90% rule is somewhere here for this inner trend line, and it's a trend line inside a trend. Mm. Let's push to a daily time frame and see what is it that we can get here. Perfectly. Like I think this buy will be a perfect one. So you see at this certain point, if you enter your trades here, and then you put your stop loss below side here, you understand here, and then you just hold until NFP and CPI, man, you'll be making more cash. You understand? And then one thing that I have realized with market repetition is that the market always repeats the same thing. You can see here it did this, and then it came back again here, it did this, you know, it came back again, it did this. So I might be hosting a group session in Johannesburg. Guys, I'm gonna update with Smart Trade. Understand? So we'll be hosting it, teaching you guys. All you have to do, guys, will just wait for the full information, understand? So there, guys, we're gonna be showing you on how to trade, and the winner might win a day with me in Sandton, guys. I wish if it was in Cape Town, but it could be in Sandton where we'll be having a dinner. You trade with us for a week. You see how we're doing it, how we're making money. Like, remember, guys, making money makes sense as always and normal. Yo, this setup is getting me in the mood, understand? Because I already see what's actually happening here. So beautiful and nice. Damn, man. And the bad part is where it's starting. Most of the people, they don't like where the market is starting. They feel like it's kind of like too confusing or whatever. But that's why I like it, because I know if I entered moves, it's forever moving. Imagine getting that sniper entry. You see, it'll actually like give you those confident thing whereby you're going to hold, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's check. So here we're just creating place whereby the market touches, the market reverses, which is a zone. I'm not saying you learned that from me, but I made you understand what is a zone than others. So probably here I'm gonna try to put it more confusing a little bit, so you can understand. So for you to have more confidence, you gotta put those trend line. You understand? You put them, all of them. So you see what I'm doing here. So now the chart is super nice. We don't need any trend line anymore. We can put zones whereby we know when we stop, we are stopping for a reason. You get the point? So at this certain point, that's where you can just try to get your buys and see what the market has for you. But I like people that will just enter this trade, forget about what pure price actions say, put your stop loss here. If you hit it, it's fine. You're gonna re-enter your trade when you get the right setup. You understand? So others will prefer you to just go there, you whatever, and then no, I don't want you to be floating in a higher loss, man. Remember, you funded your last 10K. So I want you to make money, guys. Remember, guys, as always, as I say, making money makes sense. I don't want to change that scenario. I just want you guys to keep on making money as always. As I'm making money, I don't disturb by anybody. You understand? So here, all you do here, you just enter your trade. We're gonna take this one below side because this is going to be our neckline. You enter your trade, you just relax. There's nothing better than that. I don't know if you once attended my course whereby you learned about a major key. You do your major key here. So this is something that when the trend line gets broken, you're not coming back. It's just you floating. So this is Euro USD, guys, giving me a good setup. I like the fact that it gave me a good setup, you understand? So that's how it is, guys. Long-term base buy, you understand? So here you can just create this one, little bit of it, and then it's a retest, quick, we move. It's a head and shoulder pattern is there. Like this is just a perfect buy, you're getting a lot of confirmations, you understand? You see, you go easy like that. So let's jumping into GBP USD. We just trying to keep the currencies even going as well, understand? Because it will be bad if they are not there. You get the point? So let's do this. And then we're gonna push to the weekly time frame. Oh, so this one is GBP USD. Oh, it's Gbpjpy, gents. Now we're not going for Gbpjpy. Okay, let's add it. Let's add it because something different to USD. The reason we are adding it is just to find something different, right? So that we know very well that at the end of the day, we could be like looking at something that is it's going to be different. There's nothing that, okay, based on GBP on USD, it's going to be the slightly different because there's USD, but GBP is there. So it might say a straight fact of going the same direction, understand? So yeah, especially going the same direction, it will be like that. A little bit based on GBP, and it's on the same side as favoring by a sell. Yeah, it's favored by a sell. So if you can check here, we're going to see something like the market pushing to this point here. The next thing it drops. You understand why? This resistance was there in 2015. I don't want to talk too much, man. You already understand that 2015 means that this was a strong impact to push Gbpjpy to the bottom side. So we're just gonna create place whereby the market touches, the market reverses. If you go to the previous videos, you'll see where we took Gbpsd. We took it here. There I know very well that we're going to reverse. So I actually predict one of the biggest crash on this one, going to the bottom side, you know, because I don't think Japan yen is actually weak to this point, but it became weaker to GBP. Pound became strong to yen. I don't know what is the reason. Currencies, you gotta know what is the reason, guys, when you trade them every day. You gotta search the information, get to understand what's going on in where pound is being used and where yen is being used, understand? So Japan yen. So you gotta understand those kind of things. So this one is going to be like this. So this is just the structure of the market. So believe me or not, here the market will push still to come here and then sell them. I hope and believe you guys understand everything that I'm saying. Yo, cover the rejection, man. It already tells you that the buy is so valid. The market is pushing to the top. So let's go. So I have a lot of information in my course for currencies, guys. I gotta make you understand how this correspond to this one, how this doesn't correspond to that one. Yo, it's a lot of work. I can't even like tell you now. So our longest cell, we're gonna take it there. So here, all we can do is just to create a mini cell here, a mini trend, I mean. So at the end of the day, I want to take my cell here because, I realize that people, they don't get the most biggest entry point based on not understanding the structure of the market. The structure of the market plays a bigger role, gents. The structure of the market plays a bigger role. You gotta have that perfect structure. So most will say it's a manipulation because this trend line passes there. Me and you will know that no, our entry point of the longest trade will be here. We can just put it there, put our stop loss there, and then we go straight. Then here you become a day trader for sure. You understand? Then we go straight to the bottom. Then we can take our first take profit there. Let's push to H4. Everything that we did there, it becomes majors. Buys still valid. You can take your buys here exactly at this point. So now we're looking for buying opportunities here on Gbpjpy. I remember JPY used to be Tumelo's JPY only pair that he trades. So it made sense for me because of him, you understand? It was his favorite. I don't know now, but now there's US state and whatever. So yeah, we take it from that. Let's push again to we are actually looking for GBPUSD, right? GBPUSD. But I don't like a person that only analyze. If you analyze USD and still put them on the same side, you're actually analyzing the same thing. I don't know if you knew about that, but now you know. Okay, so you saw how Euro USD was. Even GBP USD has to be giving us the same scenario. You understand? GBP JPY could give us a sell after buying, so it will buy. So even this one has to give us a buy. Euro USD has to give us a buy. USD is on the left side, so it's being favored by buys. So if it's been favored by buys and the other one is being favored by the sell, so it's a problem. Or it's actually let me quickly confirm that. Currencies has a lot of information, guys, a lot of information. And I just want to see a simple thing, guys. You just enter on your metaphor, you just go on your open code. Yes, I was correct. So GBP is being favored by a sell on GBP, JPY, and then JPY is being favored by a buy. So it means JPY is going to be stronger than what is this GBP? So when we say Euro USD, we are saying USD is going to be stronger than Euro. All right. When we are saying buy on GBP USD, we are saying that because USD is going to be favored by buy, it will be stronger than JPY. I don't know if you know about that information, but if I can put it here, you guys will be confused as hell because you think you know everything about the market until I come. That was a bar, but I'm not a rapper, guys. I'm a trader. So yeah, let's keep on going, guys. Let's keep on going. Dinosaurs. So the market been moving since dinosaurs. I don't know if you knew this means that there's like 100 or 1,000 years ago. So that's super nice, right? For me, it's so inspiring, man, to see the market being there in the game. But obviously during the whatever it wasn't there. But yeah, I like the fact that they just put it there. Now you understand why it's there. So this one has to give us a buy, remember? Ah, guys, it already gave us a buy. Here, this point was 2019. So when I firstly came into the market, the first course that I came across, it was support and resistance in the majors. So the person was just trading the majors, you understand? So I really understand support and resistance, but it was a long-term based thing. You enter today, you forget about it. I'm a newbie. I can't forget about it. I have to keep on learning every day. I want something that moves every day. You understand? So I kept on minimizing those support and resistance, drawing as many I could. That's when I started understanding everything. You get the point? So you're gonna have a beautiful trend line there. You can see the retest there. And then here, we can put it somewhere here. We're not even gonna use this trend line, but it has to be beautiful so that it doesn't confuse us. This is sort of like a head and shoulder based. Yo, this one will move perfectly. So guys, whatever I'm giving you guys here, focus on them this week, next week, the whole next month, man. I'm on a weekly time frame, man. It's almost 4 weeks to get there. Make money on one pair. Don't be confusing yourself, going around, going wherever. Listen, this is so beautiful. I don't know if you saw the GBPUSD is the most beautiful one so far we have analyzed. Now, like now, you understand? So this is how it is. You see, yo, now here we're going to make money. Here we're going to make money. Come in. You understand? So come in. Who's that? Yeah, so now we push to Minister of German. What's good, Maji? We push to 30 minutes. daily time frame. Then China choose. Next. So here we're gonna push a trend line, and then we do like this. So you see, this is just a perfect trade. It's an easy trade here. Easy trade, and then the 90% rule of this one is here. So yeah, pushing to H4, guys. You see, this is just a perfect trade, guys. This is just a perfect trade. And then we push to 60 minutes time frame. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Meet you guys in the other side. Thanks.